Hi, my name is Sunil Fernandez. I'm the managing editor for GoodReturns.in. I'm here to speak to you on the market. I'm doing a quick market roundup and tell you what happened in the stock markets today on March 28, 2022. So the market began very tepid and we saw the Nifty lose as much as 140 points in the early morning trade. So by 10:30 we were seeing the markets losing heavy ground. What happened was when Europe opened, it opened significantly higher, and the Dow Jones futures also was showing to higher openings, which led to a sharp higher movement in the Indian market. So from seeing a morning session low, we saw the markets recover sharply and end the day higher. So we saw the Nifty ending the day higher at about 17,222 points and the Sensex ending the day at about 231 points at 57,593 points. In fact, the Sensex had dipped below the 57,000 points in early trade today. So what led gainers today was Bharti Airtel. Bharti Airtel, the broking firm Motilal Oswal has a buy call on Bharti Airtel and has set a target price of 910 on the stock. So we saw Bharti Airtel gain about 3% in fact 3.34% to end the day at 733 points. Other stocks that gained today was Coal India. Coal India has been rallying for the last few trading sessions on the back of higher prices in metals and mining stocks. So we saw Coal India jump about 2.77%. We had other stocks that gained, including Axis Bank, Eicher Motors and ICICI Bank. So all of these three stocks gained ground in trade today. Let's tell you among the losers. Among the losers from the Nifty pack was agrochemical player UPL, Nestle, Dr. Reddy's Labs, HDFC and SBI Life Insurance. In fact, the HDFC group of stocks, HDFC Bank, HDFC Life and HDFC, the parent company, all three stocks declined in trade today and were added to the slightly bearish sentiment, or else we would have seen a sharper, higher uptick on stocks today. Now, let's tell you what are the stocks that made news today. So one of the stocks that really was in the news today was the Ruchi Soya. Ruchi Soya was having a follow-on public offering, and the stock ended the day sharply lower. In fact, it was one of the top losers today. Apart from Ruchi Soya, the other stocks that were in the news was Inox, Leisure and PVR. Now, Inox jumped as much as 30% in trade today, while PVR, which opened higher, was up around 2%. Now, Inox and PVR have decided to merge, and many analysts believe that this is a big positive for both the stocks, particularly for Inox, which is a much smaller player than PVR. So the merger news in both these stocks led to good buying in both the stocks, as analysts believe that it would benefit both the companies. So these were the set of stocks that were in the news. Emami too was in the news. Emami has decided to purchase Dermicool, and in fact the market was not too happy with the purchase, and the stock of Emami ended 1% lower. Otherwise the Asian markets were largely lower, but European markets opened significantly higher. As we speak, the German DAX is up about 232 points. The French CAC 2 is up sharply by about 1.5%, and so is the UK's FTSE. Going forward, we believe that the markets will consolidate along these lines and the markets will move in a tight range. We don't expect a breakaway on either side. So for the Sensex, we believe that the 57,000, 58,000 would be the range that the markets will move in. Thank you for watching.